Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Nagar, Ghaziabad, Delhi, NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This innovative and dynamic company is at the forefront of reverse engineering technology, offering a wide range of services that are sure to meet your needs. With their extensive experience and expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a leader in the field, providing clients with cutting-edge solutions that are both efficient and cost-effective. Whether you require reverse engineering for product development, quality control, or manufacturing processes, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies in the industry is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of delivering high-quality results to their clients, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every project is handled with precision and accuracy. Their team of skilled engineers and technicians utilize the latest tools and techniques to ensure that their reverse engineering services are second to none. From 3D scanning to CAD modeling, they have the capabilities to tackle even the most complex projects. Located in Nagar, Ghaziabad, Delhi, NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently situated to serve clients in the area. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, they are dedicated to providing you with personalized service and tailored solutions that meet your specific requirements. With their state-of-the-art facilities and advanced technology, they are equipped to handle projects of any size and complexity. Trust Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to deliver results that exceed your expectations. Are you looking for top-notch reverse engineering services in Nagar, Ghaziabad, Delhi, NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your needs. With their expertise in reverse engineering, they are the go-to company for all your engineering requirements. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a leader in the industry, providing innovative solutions and exceptional services. Whether you need assistance with product development or want to enhance the performance of your existing products, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality results that exceed your expectations. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from the competition. With years of experience and a deep understanding of the industry, they have perfected their techniques and processes to provide unmatched services. They utilize state-of-the-art technology and advanced software to accurately capture and analyze data from physical objects. This allows them to recreate complex designs and models with precision and accuracy. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd